Hey guys, Corey back here with Iconic Metalworks, and I know I haven't made any videos in a while. I've been super busy with the house and projects, but I want to make this video because I'm selling some equipment, and I just wanted to share it with some of you guys that are interested and had questions about it and stuff like that. So I'm selling this tucking tool that I made. Well, I didn't make the tool, but I turned it into a tucking tool, and I'm selling the stump, the embossing hammer that's weighted, and then these have set screws so you can change these out or make your, depending on, make your dies according to your preference. This machine here, I cleaned it up, I put bushings in areas, I built a stand. I am throwing in this set of deals I've never got around to. It's basically for the JS tool shrinker stretcher. It does need a little bit of machining still done and buying the jaws, but I was going to turn it into a deep stroke shrinker stretcher. I do have the arms for the press if you want to purchase the dies. I don't have any of the press dies if you want that. The pedal extends for more leverage, but I am selling all this as a kit, preferably local pickup, or if you guys are willing to travel. It's great for a starter kit. This is the foundation of where shrinking started type deal, and then it obviously evolved into the big power machine. The reason I'm selling it is I acquired a power hammer and I'm building a set of shrinking dies. I will show you this part of the car that I'm working on that I used it and it works really efficiently. So as right in here on the inside of that seam line or that body line, that is tucked and rolled in. This side you can see a little bit better, but I use that tucking tool to shrink. You can see the way it falls back in there. I had to shrink that to get it to fall. So I'm selling all this as a whole. If you guys are interested, reach out to me through email, through social media, Instagram or Facebook. And like I said, it's a very valuable tool. It works really well in the machine. Like, when you put the metal in, I mean, it puts the pucker and the tuck efficient, and you have more control, kind of like a kick shrinker. And then from there, you would go over to the stump and then smooth those out and then run them over to the English wheel. But it puts them in, and then you can reach in as deep as you would like. But I was gonna make this a universal tool with the shrinker setup that I've built that's not done machining. It just plugs in. I don't have a bottom receiver for this. I was gonna build that, and then I was also gonna buy the Mittler Brothers louver dies and turn this into a louver press and eventually go hydraulic. But you could, if you're doing a small panel, like a side panel of a 33, 32 Ford, you could do the louvers by hand with this kick press. It is a 5-ton kick press. It's capable of 5 tons. That's a lot of pressure. You should be able to punch the metal no problem. This stump is 40 inches wide, roughly 21 inches long. It's plated on both sides to keep it from splitting any more than it already has. It is a hardwood. And the stump is not tied down to this cradle. Basically, if you wanted to load it, you lift the stump in and then you just throw the dolly in. But it makes it both easy to wheel around the shop. Both of them are on casters. And if you guys are interested, reach out to me, like I said, and through social media and stuff like that. The reason I'm selling it is because I acquired the power hammer and it is up and running. So just kind of free up space in the shop and basically buy more tooling that would advance me for my business. This is great for somebody who's starting out. This is great for somebody who's at my level that just doesn't have the funds to come across a power hammer or a Pool Max to do some of this stuff. So I'd appreciate it if you guys reach out to me through social media, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I will have other, I think I'm gonna sell one other tool here shortly, and if you guys can, I appreciate all you guys you know, following these videos and stuff, and I want to get back to shooting more videos. I just been super busy, and like this car, this is a complete build, and I'm doing a lot of metal work on it, handmade running boards, floor pans, stuff like that. But that's besides the point. Like I said, this video is basically trying to sell tooling to buy more tooling. Thank you guys.